Can we download Adobe After Effects for free on PC? Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wanting to do that, it's in this video. Let's find out. So for that, you can head over to your preferred browser and then just go ahead and search in your search bar, type in Adobe After Effects, and when you go ahead and type in, you will be finding these results. So from the given results, you can directly head over the official website of Adobe, click on it, and after clicking on it, you will be taken in the space. So here in the space, you can find buy now and free trial. So you need to pay a certain amount. So if you want it for free, there is no such way. You need to go ahead and buy it. You need to go ahead and purchase it. But what it happens is, if you go ahead and buy it, you will be getting a 14 days trial for free. So if you don't want to pay, what you can do apply instead is, you can go ahead and select the option after 14 days, and you can go ahead and cancel it anytime and you will be charged no fee. So you can go ahead and select that option, and you can also get the experience. You can enter up your email address and continue the process for the payment. And once you are okay with everything, if you want to purchase, you can go ahead, but if you don't want it, you can cancel it anytime. And like that, you can also use the app and also pay no fee. So that's it for now. You can use this option if you want Adobe After Effects. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.